back again. Wagwan Safa Sekelake. Sabe Mongia. It's Timothy Bourdain, and today we are at Iguazu Falls. This is the largest waterfall system in the world, Craig. Not just the city, but the world. Here, you can enter these falls, and either the Argentina side or the Brazil side has better views because it's looking at the falls, whereas on the Argentinian side, you are on the same side as the falls, so your views are not as great. But we went to the Argentinian side, to the Iguazu Falls National Park, which is honestly like an amusement park. It's not just like you going hiking, which is what we thought. Everything is paved. There's a map, there's excursions you can do, there's restaurants, food, bars that you can eat in, and there's even a hotel. It costs about $15 to get in, and then if you want to do any excursions, those things cost more. What you guys saw at the beginning of the video is us doing the Gran Aventura, which was when you get to go on the boat, you get to go into the waterfalls as far as possible. You can't go all the way in because it gets real deep. It's just too much thrash of the waterfall. But it's absolutely immense. The only waterfall bigger than this one is Victoria Falls in Africa. So another fun fact, this is larger than Niagara Falls. But also when I said this is the largest waterfall system in the world, because there's 275 waterfalls comprising this whole system.